Have you ever wondered why yawning is so contagious? Yawning is a natural involuntary behavior observed in humans and many animals. While the exact purpose of yawning remains a topic of study, scientists propose several theories. One theory suggests that yawning helps regulate brain temperature by increasing oxygen intake and cooling the brain. Another hypothesis suggests that yawning may be a social cue, signaling fatigue or boredom to others in our social group. Additionally, yawning might play a role in promoting social bonding or synchronizing sleep patterns among group members. Despite its mystery, yawning remains an intriguing aspect of human behavior, prompting further research into its physiological and social significance.